Salai Group Chairman and Samarjit remanded to 13-day police custody. Over 1,000 Myanmar nationals entered Mizoram after military coup. And India records 53,480 new cases of COVID-19, 351 fatalities in 24 hours. As a responsible citizen, it is our duty to minimize the spread of coronavirus as much as possible. Wash your hands frequently with soap for at least 20 seconds. Using an alcohol-based sanitizer also helps keep the virus at bay. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid stepping out unless absolutely necessary. Always wear a mask before stepping out and even in your own home in the presence of outsiders, as masks have been proven effective in containing the virus. Maintain a social distance of at least 2 meters in public places. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESSIA and I'm giving you the news in details. Narangbam Samarjit, chairman of Salai Group, was remanded to 30-day police custody after being produced before the court of NIA Special Court Manipur today. He was presented before the special judge NIA Manipur, W. Tonnen. During the court proceedings, the defense counsel sought bail plea for Samarjit, which was denied. And Samarjit had in October 2019 in London declared Manipur's independence from the Union of India. He was arrested at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi on March 25th last. He was traveling from London in an Air India flight which landed in Delhi on March 24th. Samarjit was brought back to Imphal on Monday by a team of National Investigation Agency NIA. Protests triggered by military coup in the neighboring country in February, an official in the State Home Department said. Meanwhile, about 100 people who were sent back to Myanmar by Indian authorities have returned to Mizoram again. The Myanmar nationals, majority of them police personnel and firemen, have taken refuge in border district and state capital Aizawl, according to a media report. A total of 1,042 Myanmar nationals have so far entered the state till Monday. While majority of them stay in border villages and are being provided with relief and shelter by local NGOs, some of them live with their relatives. Meanwhile, a Champhai district administration official said that about 100 Myanmar refugees were pushed back from Pharkawan village on the Indo-Myanmar border by an NGO recently. However, the Myanmaris have reportedly returned to other Mizoram villages again through different routes after crossing the Tiao River, which runs along the Mizoram-Myanmar border, the report added. With the center ordering the border with Myanmar sealed, many fleeing the army crackdown following the coup, they deposed Aung San Suu Kyi as believed to be stuck between the two countries. The job of holding them back as per the center's instruction is almost impossible, given the porous 510-kilometer border along Mizoram alone, as per a media report. Unlike its border with Bangladesh, the state's border with Myanmar is completely unfenced. Since 2017, there have been multiple proposals to fence parts of it, especially around the Champhai region, but there has been no progress. Intelligence input suggests 733 Myanmar nationals have made it into the state, with the largest number being 324 in Champhai district, 144 in Siaha, 83 in Hantial, and 55 in Luang Talai. Officials believe 90 more crossed over between March 18 and 20 and are yet to be accounted for. A top officials of the Mizoram government that has opposed the center decision to identify the Myanmar nationals and depose them pointed out that the Assam Rifles manning the border is not standing hand in hand to guard every inch at all times. India's coronavirus tally went up to 1.21 crore today after 53,480 new cases were recorded in the last 24 hours, the data from the Union Health Ministry showed. The number of active cases went up by 11,846 and currently stands at 5,52,566. The ministry's data showed. Reports added that the disease also killed 354 people yesterday, which pushed the death toll to 1,62,468. The number of patients who have been discharged from hospitals in the last 24 hours is reported to be 41,280. COVID-19 situation is turning from bad to worse in the countries and in a huge cause for worry, especially for some states, the center said yesterday. It also warned that the whole country is at risk and any complacency at this stage and at any level will have heavy costs. Manipur's COVID-19 caseload reached 29,400 after 7 more infections were reported in the past 24 hours, according to the Manipur government COVID-19 Command Control Room. It said 4 patients were recovered from the disease during the same hours. The fatalities in the state stands at 374. The active cases are 70, while the recovered cases are 28,956. The recovery rate is reported to be 98.48%. Now it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Open for 10 days SSB course from 4th April 2021. We provide personalized coaching to its candidate, special classes by visiting officers for motivation, professional guidance and teaching, everyday feedback to prepare well, boarding and lodging facilities available. For more details, please contact Guardians Defence Academy near Nursing Thakur Mandir, Naurimlekai Kagwa Makha, Imphal West. Contact number 9863 388 639. Admission open. Private Sports Academy Guwahati and Anno Football Club Guwahati invite application from interested persons who want to participate in a month-long residential practice cum trial coaching for under 13 and under 18 years of age. The coaching is scheduled to begin under the guidance of a foreign coach from 5th next month. Fooding and lodging facilities are also available. For more information, please visit Place Venue Guwahati, Mirza Tiniali, or contact us at 6026 709 279 or 7005 235638.
In studies, in sports, in science, in arts, in competitions, in caring for the environment, in life, nothing but excellence for a holistic learning with a difference. Shishu Nishtha Niketan, nothing but excellence.
Welcome back after the break. Langtabal constituency MLA Karam Shyam has said that using drugs and other intoxicants does not alleviate one's suffering and hardship whatsoever. He was delivering a speech on pleasure versus happiness, choice is yours, which was held under Nasha Mukh Bharat Abhiyan NMBA. The program was jointly organized by Department of Psychiatry and Clinical Psychology, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS Imphal, and Imphal West District Administration, Imphal West District Social Welfare Department at RIMS Jubilee Hall. Karam Shyam explained about the harmful effects of drugs to the society. The MLA underlined on the importance of a collective effort in the fight against drug menace in Manipur. Manipur People's Party MPP urged the state government and its authorities to provide relief to Myanmar refugees at More town of Technopole district. MPP General Secretary Administration H. Gitajan, during a meeting at party office in Imphal, said that a party delegation will visit More to extend help to the refugees. Party President L. Krishnadas attended the meeting. Gitajan further said that the political crisis unfolding in neighboring Myanmar is unfortunate, adding that the party is also concerned about the Myanmar refugees. He appealed to the Manipur government to intervene in the situation. Meanwhile, the party also demanded the state government to prop the mysterious death of Athokpam Sanaton, an MBBS student at RIMS Imphal.
Myanmar ga khoi gi yamna neighboring oiba mari leinaba haukibu pawari kya dagi mari leinaram ga thinarasu yamna nungsingham reinaba adumba kamuni mo yawa ba khoi mating pani loina na khoi yaribung be MPP tarap te kisu mating pangani loina na Manipur Sarkar so high report Semating Pambi, relief team Kasana Yam to Namating Pambi Pami. Tori Yansin have what took Simasi, Asumba inquiry Sarkana to Birga, Langlalajing, Asumba Putopi and Asumba Bizar to one Bibo Pami.
Matokaram Namadi Kamaina, I go see na take Tramagi, Mars take Trama the Pangi, but I have a Simatanga, Masi Praja Amadi Miamna, Hungry Cushion sea, Atumatanda, Langagna, Achumbalang Jindu, Putona Bagita, Equi, coming make a daikina, Conjari, Karigumba, Tumatam of Tota Taragadi, and we say take a quay. Karitobuya, Bamating Pambuya, but the Koi Matamatang Yangai. Don't know the same Sarah Legend have something.
Rumpi Village Level Federation has started cleaning of riverbank stretch from Tuishimi to Bularam Dam. Rumpi Village Level Federation is a joint self-help group of Maringfai, Bularam, Tuishimi and Kuraktil villages. Federation President St. Naipai said that the river water is now polluted by waste materials which could cause many diseases to the people in the surrounding area. Naipai added that the Federation will continue to take up such work in the future. Imphal Municipal Corporation Ward No. 6 Co-operator T. Indrajit today distributed face masks and hand sanitizers to 4 local clubs. Indrajit on the occasion said that he has been helping people in Ward No. 6 since the start of COVID-19 pandemic. The 4 clubs were Naramthong Youth Organization, Achom Youth Club, Youth Library Club and Uripo Khaidem Development Community.
COVID-19 second wave tagi achauba kanba yabagi thodang do logne habu wakoro ngasi awareness amo oina khoi 1 number 6 ki lebiriba ngsi jaraba COVID-19 relief committee ai sama cooperator mo oina ward asida COVID-19 khara makai ngakthok namang ngamda mask samu sanitizer pibi thormaji pangthok sabne habase ngasi press media ko dang thamjage.
Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Tom Cable ki subscriber sing the Khangan Jari Madudi subscriber sing na channel suna amadi ayat apan yaudana yengbinaba recharge tawbiyo. Pizariba package sing de basic package ta lupa chani amadi atopa package sing da lupa chahum yankai chamri amadi chamri yankai pijari. Recharge tawnabagi damak makhada pijariba khuthang ahum asidagi khanbiyo. Ahan bada online recharge. Online da recharge tawnabagi damak tomtv.co.in da changbiduna yamna laiba process ta recharge tawbiyo. Anisubada distributor recharge. Isa ki distributor sing da monthly subscription submit to viduna recharge to view. Natraga ahum subada office recharge. Uripok Kosnam Lekai da leiba TOMTV ki office ta laktuna recharge to view. Khanghan Jariba Tom Cable Uripok Kosnam Lekai Imphal. Ekoi contact number 89742 79099 Natraga 8132 089 758.
Office of the Yaifre Group of Finance, YG Finance, Head Office Singmairong near Eastern Motor, Imphal East, Manipur. April ki tang tara mga listing ni kunmathoy da githa amada lupa listing marikha khulaga. Hauzagadauriba lottery cum tender ase yaubiraga. Lupa lakh kun gi mapu oibiyu. Lucky draw fauragana lupa lakh amma fangbigani. Loinana athoba matamda agent yankaisu pamzai. Agent singidamak monthly income draw timing na nungthulgi pung anini. Hena akupa marol gidamak office ta ayuki pung mapan makhaidagi na nungthulgi pung mari faubagi manungda lakpiyu. Amadi mobile number 76420428874 natraga 936214785 ta contact tawbirau. Khanghan Jariba Manager Yaifre Group of Finance.
Welcome back after the break. In order to prevent rash driving during Yaosang celebration, Porompat Police today launched a drive against traffic violators. Imphal East Superintendent of Police Jogesh Chandra Howizam led the drive. BJP candidate Ramakant Duri has found himself in a spot a day ahead of the Phase 2 Assam Assembly elections after a video shows him distributing money to some woman, news portal Ani now reported. The sitting BJP MLA is contesting the Assam Assembly election from the Morigaon constituency, which will go to the polls on Thursday. In the video that has gone viral on social media on Wednesday, Duri can be spotted distributing money to a group of women. Duri was elected as an MLA on BJP ticket from Morigaon constituency in the 2016 Assam election, defeating his rival Jonjonali Barua of Congress by 29,623 votes. In a bid to prevent incidents of fire on trains, Indian Railway has decided to stop passengers from using mobile charging stations on board trains between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. A media report said the Western Railway has already implemented the idea by cutting off supply to these charging spots between their periods since March 16. According to reports, Southern Railway CPRO B. Guganeshana informed that these instructions are not new but a reiteration of earlier orders of the Railway Board. In 2014, the Commissioner of Railway Safety has recommended the charging stations be switched off between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. soon after a fire incident in the Bangalore-Hazwar Sahib Nanded Express. The Railway Board has eventually issued such orders to all rail zones. Now we have the sports news. The Bright Club Kwakaitel Lamdong Laikai today organized a program during which experts taught Manipuri indigenous game Kang to children. The Bright Club Kwakaitel Lamdong Laikai President Haishnam Kipjan said that youngsters do not have idea on how to play Kang. He continued that the program was organized to promote and preserve indigenous games of the state.
Game asi hena promote horaga angang jingna indigenous game asi khangna boida mukta private club na asigumba yamna special oina asigumba kangi masana si akoina group ani haibadi JESSIA group amadi samtrimi group ani khaidoga akoina sinjabani.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Salai Group Chairman and Samarjit remanded to 13-day police custody. Over 1,000 Myanmar nationals entered Mizoram after military coup. Reports 53,480 new cases of COVID-19, 351 fatalities in 24 hours. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.